Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the XBD Walking Pad. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got the XBD Walking Pad. And so here's how you actually go ahead and use it. So first off, you do need to make sure that if you have the incline version that these pegs here are actually enabled. And what that's going to do is that it's going to actually incline your treadmill at about a 5% grade. Next, you want to make sure that you plug your treadmill in. And as far as the remote goes, there's going to be a tag at the back of the remote. You want to make sure you pull that out. And then the remote can actually slide into here, and then you can actually pull it out just like that. Now, as far as using this treadmill goes, you always want to make sure that you have shoes on. So we'll place our shoes on. And now there's not a lot of controls on this treadmill. So first off, we have the power button, and then you have the increase in speed, which is this button here, and then you have the decrease in speed. So I'm going to go ahead and start this treadmill. You can see it has a countdown, and then so now the treadmill is working. So for this treadmill, it basically cycles between different displays. So right now it shows the time, it shows the speed, and then it's going to show the distance, and then it's going to show the estimated kcals burn. And then it's going to go back to the time. So if you want to increase the speed, all you got to do is press the plus button and the speed starts to increase. And if you want to decrease the speed, you just have to press the minus button and you decrease the speed. Now, in order to stop it, you've just got to press the center button once more, and there you have it. So once you're done using the treadmill, what you can do afterwards is you can grab the remote, place it in the center. But when I do want to mention that to power on and off this treadmill, the power button is located at the back here. So it's right over here. So power it off. And then in order to store it away, you can either carry it or you can lift it from this end. And this end, it's going to be able to roll. Okay. So by lifting it up, you do need to make sure that you remove the pegs. So what that looks like is the pegs right over here. These need to be folded back into place just like that. Then afterwards, you have some rollers here that can roll the treadmill. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the XBD Walking Pad. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually use this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.